Checking your transaction history on Public is straightforward and can be done in just a few steps. Follow this guide to quickly access your transaction details. Step 1. Open the Public app. Launch the Public app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and personal information. Step 3. Access account settings. In your profile, look for the account or settings option. Click on it to find various account-related features, including transaction history. Step 4. Find transaction history. Within the account settings, locate the transaction history or activity section. This area will display all your past transactions, including purchases and sales. Step 5. Review your transactions. Once you are in the transaction history section, you can scroll through your past transactions. You may also have options to filter or search for specific transactions if needed. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Public. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your investments and trading activities.